Governor Johannes Avachab revealed individuals dominated the number of approved loans in the top 5 sectors, with 8,000 recorded last month as opposed to more than 6,000 recorded in July. The real estate and business services sectors had 1,258 approvals. The trade, tourism and hospitality sector stood at just over 1,000 loans, up from 896. While 428 loans were approved in the transport sector. Construction had 385 loan approvals, while banks also received 34 new applications from mining companies amounting to 391.6 million during the period.
Other sectors that were granted loans at the end of September 2020 were the agricultural sector, with about 194 approvals, electricity, gas and water sector, which stood at about 98 approvals, finance and insurance at about 157 approvals, government services at 31 approvals, manufacturing at about 114 approvals, wholesale and retail sector at 17 approvals, fishing sector received about 9 approvals, while the other sectors were allocated about 316 approvals during the period.
Since the implementation of the debt relief measures in April, the banking industry also received more than 22,506 applications for repayment holidays for the period up to July, especially from individuals and sectors hit hardest by COVID-19.
The Bank of Namibia, working within its mandate and using the monetary policy and regulatory tools at its disposal, is committed to limiting the impact of the pandemic on Namibia's economy. To date, if I summarize, we have taken the following steps. We have significantly reduced the repo rate, which is presently standing at 3.75%, the lowest in the history of independent Namibia. The low interest rate will make it easier for borrowers to meet the financial obligations, and the lower cost of capital will make investments much more attractive, if not compelling. We've allowed banks to grant payment holidays and have provided other relief measures to banks to expand lending.
This number declined to 19,308. The seminar was held under the theme, The Impact of COVID-19 on the Namibian Economy, Mapping the Way to Recovery. Julana Fuka, NBC News, Windhoek.